got a question for you. Why would you squeeze a lime when you can squeeze some sunshine? You're at the Drunken Sailor Cocktail channel, and I am Bill the Drunken Sailor, and today we are going to make a super easy springtime cocktail. It's bright, delicious, and only 3 ingredients. There are no excuses for doing this one wrong. So, grab a seat at the bar. I'm grabbing my shaker, and today we are going to make the Lemon Peach Margarita. Let's get pouring. We're going to start off this cocktail with some freshly squeezed lemon juice, and for that I'm going to use 3/4 of an ounce. We're using fresh because you know fresh is best. We're going to follow that up with peach liqueur. Now today I'm using a driller. Now peach liqueur in some locations can be hard to find. If you want, you could probably get away with using either a peach brandy or some peach schnapps. If you use the schnapps, understand that that's a lot sweeter. We're going to go in there with 1 full ounce. Last ingredient, 3 simple ones. We are using tequila. Today we're using one of our favorites. We haven't used it in a while, and we have used it because we're almost to the end of the bottle. 2 ounces, and we're using Milagro Blanco. That's everything that needs to go in this margarita. Now let's ice this up so we can chill it down. Good 10 to 15 second shake. We want to see some condensation form on the outside of this tin. And that's what's going to tell us that it's nice and cold. I've got my condensation there. Now let's get our glass. Real easy, simple to prepare this glass. What we're going to do, we're going to fill it up with ice. Lots of ice. It's a nice hot spring day. We want it nice and cold. Now we strain. And all I've got left to do is garnish. Since it's a lemon peach margarita, let's just take a slice of lemon, drop that on there, and there we have today lemon peach margarita. Let's give it a taste. I don't need a calendar to tell us it's peach season. It's got bright peach flavor. That lemon, that tequila, all mixed together. This one is a refreshing spring summer cocktail. Cheers, everybody. See you at the next cocktail.